Hello, welcome back. Today I would like to share you an amazing wallpaper for your Apple Watch, and you can see this watch face. You can show off your internal Apple Watch to the other, and you can see here, and I think maybe some of you own the Apple Watch, you can watch the video, but for those of you that don't own the Apple Watch, you can watch it as well and share it to the other. Now let's go on how you can get this amazing wallpaper. So you need to go to the phone and download the application called Buddy Watch, and you can get it from the App Store for free. So link can be found in my video description. So go ahead and jump into Buddy Watch, and you can see here there are a ton of Apple Watch. Now to get it, all you have to do, click on the search button on the top left and search for inside the machine. There we go. So all you have to do, select on it, and then you can click on download. It will redirect you into Watch app. All you have to do, click on add to my faces, and then you can see it appear on the top here, and you can select on it and set it as your current watch face, and after that it will pop up on your Apple Watch. So it is really amazing. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys with the next one.